ये तूने क्या किया? With every new iteration, car manufacturers are known to increase the prices by a fair bit. But defying this logic with here today is the Kia Seltos. Welcome to the CarWale YouTube channel. I'm Aditya Nadkani, and here with me is what could be arguably the most value for money offering in the Seltos range. Before we begin, let me remind you to like our video if you found this content useful and subscribe to the CarWale YouTube channel so you're updated with the latest happenings in the auto industry. Without further ado, let's get to what is our star of the day, which is the Kia Seltos HTE optional variant. First things first, the car you see here is not the exact base offering, as that one is the HTE. The HTE optional you see here is priced from 12.09 lakh as opposed to the entry-level HTE, which cost 10.99 lakhs ex-showroom. Apart from this, you also get an NA petrol IVT, turbo petrol IMT, diesel manual and diesel automatic, making it a variant of the new Seltos with one of the most diverse powertrain options. With that out of the way, let's get to the exterior design. Starting with the front design, you get silver finish kit plates that was offered only in higher spec variants until recently. At the same time, you get not just LED DRLs but LED headlamps too. Do you know of any other car which offers LED headlamps in the lower variants? Do let us know in the comments below. Another thing you should know is that this grille doesn't come in a glossy black but a matte finish. Next up are the flush fitting door handles, which lend a clean and smooth design to the side profile but also help in reducing drag and increasing mileage. 16-inch wheels are what you get as standard, and this time around with wheel covers too. Step towards the rear and the new Seltos has a lot to offer, such as the shark fin antenna, integrated rear spoiler with a high-mounted stop lamp, and yes, even the star-mapped LED tail lights. This variant is slowly starting to make more sense now, isn't it? Kia is known to offer a variety of interior themes, but that is based on the choice of variant you choose. Seen here is the smoky black and grey offered in the HTE optional variant, which, as opposed to the top spec one, which gets white and black theme, is much more easier to maintain. Also, you get a matte blue accent, which makes its appeal even more unique. Passengers in the front row have convenience and niceties in the form of a flat bottom steering wheel with integrated audio controls, a height adjustable driver seat, 12-inch full LCD instrument cluster, cruise control, center console with armrest and cup holders, and a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system right from the base variant itself. Additionally, you also get Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Elsewhere, and yes, but not done yet, you get rear AC vents, not one but 4 USB Type-C charging ports, with the second row having the unique placement, as well as keyless entry and electrically adjustable body-colored ORVMs. Now here comes the juicy part. All the features that I've mentioned till now come straight from the HTE base variant, and the optional variant gets even more features. But for 1.10 lakh more, you will benefit from 16-inch style steel wheels, connected LED tail lights, glossy black roof rails, 60-40 split rear seats with a center armrest and cup holders, adjustable rear headrests for all 3 occupants, and leatherette upholstery. Okay, so for those of you who are still not convinced, here comes the heaviest punch from Kia. Should you choose the automatic trim in this version, you get even more features in the form of paddle shifters, electronic parking brake with auto hold function, a sliding cover for the cup holders, as well as drive and traction modes. Safety is becoming more accessible in the budget segment with each passing day, and the Seltos, which sits in one of the hottest segments right now, takes this a notch higher. First, there are the government mandated features like 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking system, seatbelt reminder, and a speed alert system. But Kia has gone one step ahead and included stuff like a tire pressure monitoring system, electronic stability control, hill assist control, hill descent control, vehicle stability management, brake assist system, all-wheel disc brakes, automatic headlamps with escort function, and even a reverse parking camera with dynamic guidelines. Now that's what you call value for money. Clearly, a lot has changed when it comes to the features offered with base spec cars. Even though there is a considerable price change, Kia has outdone itself when it comes to these base spec offerings. In the end, it's a win-win for people like you and me who are the end consumers of this vehicle. What do you think about this variant? Do let us know in the comment section below.